All right, and welcome to the Motivational Minute, episode 27. And today I want to talk about something pretty simple, a question that I think a lot of us ask ourselves at least once or maybe 1,000 times in life. How do I make a million? And the way that I have found to do that from an entrepreneurial standpoint in pursuing different ventures over the years is start a boring business in a large market. So, there's plenty of ways to make money in terms of starting an awesome business that people think is real cool, raising investment and doing all kinds of things. But did you know that not only do 50% of businesses make it to at least 5 years, 30% of businesses make it to at least 15 years. However, when it comes to venture funded company, less than 1% of every business that started ends up getting venture capital. And so if you go after the sort of startup route where you're trying to raise money and then get acquired in that sense, honestly, it's a little bit like playing the lottery. So many things have to go right, and even then, it might not go well. Whereas if you start a simple business in a market that exists, they work, and it's just as simple as that. My life changed when I decided to start doing things that way. And, I've had a pretty high batting average in terms of my last really 10 ventures. 8 of my last 10 ventures have made it to at least 6 figures in revenue. So that would be impossible if I weren't doing simple businesses in large markets, whereas I didn't even have to, really capture 0.1% of the market in order to have personal success. So that is my best tip for how to make a million in today's world.